Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to FREEVEMBER, y'all. If you have not noticed, y'all have been getting one video every single day. And by chance, if I miss a day, you can always depend on a short. So as promised, I am coming to you with a breakfast for 4 or 2. You can always add more to make it bigger. Dollar Tree special, honey. Yes, recession proof series during FREEVEMBER. All right, so come and let's see what ingredients you'll need. First and foremost, the leftover country gravy. This is going to be our base. I caught Hillshire Farm turkey smoked sausage on sale. We're gonna dice this. These are the bagels that we have left over from the Dollar Tree. I made a turkey sandwich with one last night. They are amazing. And you can use shredded cheese, but all I have is sliced cheese. We're gonna make it work. Okay, first things first, we're going to preset our oven to 375. We're going to take the Dollar Tree bagels and we're going to open them up and we're going to put them in. It's only me and my wife, so we're only going to take 2 bagels, open them up, put them in. And this is what it looks like. If you have more people or you're making this for your children, you have 4 kids, or you have 2 teenagers, whatever, you can use the whole bag if you want. You can add more, use 2 bags if you want. It's whatever your taste buds or your needs are, honey. This is Dollar Tree finds, grocery store savings. Boom. All right. So next up, we are going to take some of this country gravy. It keeps very well, y'all. See that? So we didn't get a chance to use all of this. We ate it on biscuits and gravy one day, and then we haven't used it anymore. But that's okay, because I'm gonna recycle this and I'm gonna use it to smother some chicken. So I'm gonna show y'all that too. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this. It is kind of thick because it's cold. So about maybe that much. I am gonna add a little bit of chicken broth or water, whatever you want to use for the benefit of this video. I'm gonna add water, just a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water, y'all. Oh, make it a mess. See, just to thin it out. This was so good. Oh, it's so good. And it's gonna be even better on these bagels. So let's assemble. Okay. We're gonna take our gravy. We're gonna put it on the top. Don't be shy with it. Put it all over. You don't want a dry bagel. You want this to be good. And you can heat some of this up, and your kids, if you have kids who love sauce, you can heat some of this up back up on the stove in the microwave, and they can dip it. You don't have to put the gravy on any of them, and they can just dip it. You can assemble them with the sausage and cheese, an egg if you want, and there we go. You're gonna get all of it. We're not gonna waste a thing. All right. Next, we're gonna sit this to the side and we're gonna fry our sausage. Y'all on some tea. Oh. Alrighty. Hopefully you all can see. Gonna turn our eye on medium high. We're gonna open our sausage. You don't need that much at all. You're gonna take this and put the rest of this in a Ziploc bag. But for now, we're gonna sit it to the side. We're gonna slice it down the middle. If you have a cutting board, get a cutting board out. But we're using what we got to get what we want. All right. All right, and we're gonna chop these really fine, y'all. And that's what we're gonna do. See? Have orange juice on the side of this. Maybe you can add some grits, some oatmeal, or they can have it as they're walking to the bus stop. Be good to have them the night before. Something they can just pop in the microwave after they get done getting dressed for school. This would be good for a breakfast date with the girls or with your man. A coffee date at the house. As you and your spouse talk over maybe the finances, whatever, talk about the kids, talk about your marriage, whatever. Something simple, easy to digest, no-brainer breakfast. Okay, and this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna add, you can add butter in here. I'm just gonna add a little bit of avocado oil so we can start to sizzle. If y'all are grown, you can add a little bit of onion if you want to kind of like jazz it up. You can add a scoop of pico de gallo, jalapeno, onion, tomato. That will be amazing in here, and just saute it down as a base. As of right now, this is what our bagels look like. And I don't have shredded cheese, I have sliced cheese. As my temperature rises on my skillet, I'm gonna bring y'all along as I fry this sausage. Just gonna put our sausage up in a Ziploc bag. These can also be good lunches for the kids as well. You can fry these down, you can boil them down, put them in a hot dog bun, and put ketchup. This would be good too if you don't have hot dogs. They're great on the grill as well. Once your sausage is pretty much done, you don't have to cook it to death because we are going to bake it in the oven. All right, so we're going to cut the stove off, and we're going to take our sausage and we're going to sprinkle it around just like that. You can do this with a fork, but like I said, I'm using what I got to get what I want, okay? Alrighty. You can use more or less. It's up to you. This is your meal for your family. And I'm gonna eat my tax. Good. So now we're gonna add the cheese. All right, I got one slice left in this packet. I can't believe I did not get any shredded cheese, but that's okay. It's all gonna taste the same. This is Kobe Jack, and we're just gonna drop them on top. You can add egg to this, but we currently don't have eggs, so we're gonna pop this in the oven at 375 for about 15 minutes, just long enough for the cheese to get brown and bubbly. Alrighty, see you in 15 minutes. All right, so they've been in the oven maybe 10-12 minutes at 375, and then I put them up under the broiler for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Alrighty, let's give it a taste. Right now. Look at that. The cheese is crispy. Let me turn y'all. Look at that. Alrighty, let's do a taste test. Let's look at the bottom. Ooh, it's hot. Oh, it looks good. Oh, it's hot. Ooh, hold on, y'all. I'm excited. If you want, you can put a little bit more pepper. This will be really good with egg. Let's try to see if we can. You want to use ground sausage? Bacon would be phenomenal. Get that little piece before it drops. Don't worry, I got it. I'm about to go enjoy my breakfast. Grab me a cup of coffee. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow for another day of FREEVEMBER.